welcome to my channel. Here's an update on my brother's keeper. So Mshengu comes home late, very, very late, coming back from Dorin's house. Mom Queen was very worried about him. She even called Udonga, asking Bubawako. He doesn't come home this late. What's happening? He even missed dinner. Mshengu athi wena buzobuya yini ekhaya if when you get home you get criticized. And then Mshengu goes and gives Uncubeko an invitation to the golf course. Apparently his overseas friends are going to be there. And then he goes over to Dorin's house again during working hours. Dorin's like, what are you doing here? I know you love your job. Hi, I guess the guy wants to just get some air. And then he misses the relationship that he had with Uncubeko. He wish he could fix it. And then Dorin tries to speak to Uncubeko, saying, Baba kumbula relationship nayo. Can you fix it? Just give him a chance to fix it. I'm struggling to forget the things that happened to me when he sent me to jail, when he sent me to CIMEX. I was beaten up. I almost died. There was a point when I wished I could die. It was bad. And he told me that I'm dead to him. So I can't move past that. And then but I would like to fix things with him. And then Umawake invites Mshengu. He comes, finds them, like, but what is he doing here? I can't just sit and watch you hurt. I want you guys to fix this. They sit together and Mshengu apologizes to Uncubeko for everything that happened, everything that is done to him, and says that he misses the relationship and wants to work on it. And then ukhathazile uNodonga, they talk to uMdonga yena. He is not paying for Didi's fees. Have you seen how expensive they are? They're very expensive. He's not paying. Sibusiso must be the one to pay for ama-fees Didi. Since umkhwelile akakhwela nama-fees. And then Sibusiso you'll do the budget. And then uMamkhulu goes to Fakazile to confront her. Uthi, njengoba sowusidana ama-enemies wami manje, did you even love my sons? Like, umthanda nje uThuthuka wathawuma, but you know very well that I married Thuthuka because of you. And then uKhwezi yena-ke wamthanda yini uKhwezi, because I'm starting to doubt it. When you're setting, like, kuwo wonke amadoda, out of all the money in the world, you chose the one that killed uThuthuka, umntwanami. And then uNdumiso talks to Fakazile, to Khathazile, and says that Khathazile is like, you know what, Ndumiso, I was with you when your family turned against you. Why are you doing this to me now? Atu Ndumiso, this is nothing personal, it's a business. Atu Khathazile, I feel like you are jealous. You're jealous of my business. Kutilia kula. In fact, I'm the one that's bringing business la. Ati, oh, okay, if you're the one bringing business, then hamba ke thatha izinto zakho leinyawo zenkukhu nani and go sell it at the rek. Sibone ukuthi bazogcwala yini abantu uthi bagcwalisa la. And then Udidi talks to Uthoba and tells him that ama fees are very expensive and she thinks she needs to get a job. And then Uthoba to ask his dad to give her a job on the rocks. So Uthoba ngizokhuluma naye. I hope uzovuma. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.